Yo, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Starting off today, I'm going to be working on some of the interior parts from Wago. I removed the center console because I do want to do some work with the shifter. I actually want to upgrade and get some stuff done with that, but we'll get into that later. So right now I wanted to do a little bit with the center console. I'll explain more to you guys when we get into the shop. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have the center console from Wago. It is old and grungy and dirty. Look at that inside of there. We're going to get that cleaned out. The top of this thing here is also looking pretty gross. You know, 25-year-old carpet looking thing is not good. So I want to replace this carpet piece with some black suede that I got here, and I think that'll look really good. And then I want to clean this up and paint it black. Alright guys, so far I was able to get the first couple of coats on the main part of the center console here and the little cup holder piece there, and I was able to remove the old dusty ugly 25-year-old like carpet padding that was on the top of the very top of the center console piece there. I was able to get this cleaned off. I just used some brake cleaner and a little bit of some adhesive remover to get off the old adhesive. Got everything cleaned up. There was a bit of a crack here that I noticed. I just am going to fill that with some adhesive just to try and strengthen it up a bit, and then I'm going to get the suede put on the top of this thing. So I'm almost done with this top piece here, getting the suede wrapped on, but one thing I actually wanted to show you guys. So with suede, it has a nap. So basically the nap is the direction that you need to wipe it, right? So if I wipe it this way, that's against the nap of the suede. But if I wipe it this way, that is going with the nap of the suede. So that's how the suede should lay down. Also, sorry, I know in this lighting it kind of looks gray, but don't worry, it's black. So basically the reason I'm telling you guys that is because I have the nap going a specific way. So the nap wipes forward on the top part. So if I ever need to clean it, it's going to be wiping forward, or it's going to be going in the direction going towards the front of the car. Well guys, here you have it. This is the finished product. I got it all fully painted here. We have a black suede on the top there, kind of like I showed you guys in that other clip with the nap. We know that it wipes forward. Everything opens clean in there, real nice. And yeah, we did it, man. So yeah, I'm excited to get this thing back in the car and start getting all the other interior pieces cleaned up as well. Alright guys, it's the next day. I'm here back in Wago. As you guys can see, I got the center console taken out. I still haven't gotten it put back in yet. The car really needs to be cleaned. Obviously, you guys can see there's like stuff in here from when my grandmother was a high schooler. But today I'm gonna take the car over to Hush Performance. I wanna see if maybe I can get some assistance from Robert, trying to figure out kind of the issue that's been going on with the TPS and see if we can get this thing running solidly. So let's get to it. So no misfire, any weird thing going on right now. I think it probably starts happening when the car gets to operating temperature. So I really don't know what it is, but hopefully we can try and figure this thing out today. Well guys, I am here with a couple of homies here working on the Wago. We were trying to figure out the TPS thing here.
All right, so whenever you're doing your TPS, you always do it with your car off and your key on the auxiliary, and you want to go off the remote wire. And the remote wire, I believe, is the green one. It's going to be the green one or the red one. So I'm going to go first with the red one first to see if we get a reading on that. All right, there we go. We got reading.
And where exactly should we be?
So we want to be at 0.5.
So basically we found that the TPS was missing a screw. And once we started playing with it a little bit and doing some adjustments, we noticed that the performance or how the engine was running changed. So we went to Ace Hardware, found another screw to put into the TPS. We got it put in there. No more check engine light. The car seems to be idling fine. It seems to be running okay now. Obviously I need to take it on the street and drive it around to really understand what's, how it's feeling right now. But I think we got it down for the most part. Yeah. Thank you so much, man, for coming through and saving the day, for sure. So I think what's probably going to happen now is I'm probably going to take it back to Hush Performance. Robert has a little tool that he fabbed up to where we can read the exact voltage that the TPS is giving us, just so we can get it nice and fine-tuned how we want it to be. And then from there, I guess just do a little tune-up, maybe spark plugs and wires, and get her on the road. 0.45 open, 0.5 closed. Yeah. Awesome. So I got you guys back here on the GoPro. No check engine light. I literally just started the car, so we'll see how it drives back to Robert's shop. Yes. All right, are we gonna get a check engine light? No, nothing. Nice clean pull. guys. No more check engine light. No more that weird idle. VTEC is working. Finally, we got her running how she should. It has just been a whole process, a whole cat and mouse chase of trying to figure this thing out. But I think we finally got her running normally how she should. Ha ha ha!